Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. Waxal, Google Waxal, that's what we're gonna check today. So chill out and watch this video on your television. Introducing Waxal, a new open dataset for African speech technology. They say Waxal, but maybe if you're from West Africa, Senegal, in Wolof, you can say Wahal, which means speak. Okay, it's a new open source dataset for 21 African languages. So for people across much of the world, talking to devices is a second nature. You can see people are using WhatsApp. They're not writing anymore. They just send text messages. It's a new behavior. So the convenience disappears when technology doesn't speak your language. This is targeting the sub-Saharan African, where over 2,000 distinct languages are spoken. So that's why the introduction Waxal, I call it Wahal. Okay, inclusive technology across Africa, 21 languages, including, I'm going to talk about the languages, the list at the end. Collaborative achievement, powered by the expertise of leading African organizations. So which ones are involved? 2 universities, Makerere University in Uganda, and the University of Ghana. Led data collection for combat 13 languages, while the digital Umuganda in Rwanda headed the effort for 5 major languages. For the high-quality voice recordings, they worked with the regional experts at Media Trust and the Loud and Clear. They also partnered with African Institute for Mathematics and Science on multilingual data for future releases. So that's the institutions helping Google behind that, working in collaboration with them. They're capturing the authentic speech ethically. So we see more and more targeting sub-Saharan languages. We've seen that with Meta. So they wanted to capture how people really talk as participants to describe different pictures in their native languages, and they also recorded professional voices in studios to create high-quality audio needed for text-to-speech technology. Okay, and here they have a Hugging Face link that we're going to visit later on. And those are the languages included in the dataset: Akoli, Akan, Dagare, Dagbani, Duolo, Ewe, Fante, Fulani, Hausa, Igbo, Ikposo, Kikuyu, this may be Japanese, Lingala, Luganda, Malagasy, Masahaba, Nyankole, Rukiga, Shona, Soga, Swahili, and Yoruba. Let's go to Hugging Face. Okay. This is for the first language, for example. The dataset has 114,000 rows. So dataset, Google, Wahal, NLP. the column ID, speaker ID with a number, transcription. So those are the words, the text that has been that the person is saying in the record. Language, the gender, male, female, and the audio. And just tune up the sound.
Man nyikij man opye ya atura mo ma kalane tye ma yelo. Nyikij man tye ka kwanyo moc cam ma tye kum atura man wek gin giyub ki moo kic ma meggi.
That was the first sample. We're going to listen few samples. We're going to be maybe here choosing the languages. You can see there are different ones. Swahili here. We're going to go for Fulani, ASR. And after there are different pages. There's a lot of pages. Let's go to page 40 maybe. That's 3. There's 101,000 rows in this dataset. The Fulani ASR or Fulla. So this language goes across east to the west of Africa under the desert.
Debbo ɗo moori gaasa maako ngam talla, ngam pawne, ɗo ɓoddina debbo vooɗenga.
Okay, so he was describing an image. So you write in the comment section if you understood what was said. And you get a lot of those. We can listen one more.
Lemu, abarba, gonda, enanta ayaba ha nder plate. Ɓikkoi leɗɗe ɓeɗo naftira be makon ngam yarugo. Hauta fruit salad ɗo mari nafu masin ha ɓandu, ɗo fadda nyawu.
Okay, and the vocabulary of this language can be different from East to West Africa. So they didn't get all the variation of it, they just focused on the ones that they could get data on. So you have trend set, test set, validation set. You have different sets.
Cuuɗi bukkaji ɗiɗi waɗi gargajiya. Cuuɗi man ni ɗiɗo nyiɓiri be loope, ɓeɗo hippi ko'e man bo be geene.
Okay, just some samples to listen. I think we're going to stop listening. Nodes.chickerhouses.com. Visit it, it's on. So here we're going to go just look at the instructions they're giving us. You can play with this on your computer. You can download it and you can use it to train your own LLM. So here it tells you about the providers, the TTS dataset, text-to-speech, the different licenses, so there are still some licenses, so you have to be careful with that. The media trust for Fulla, for example, the provider, and digital Umuganda for Fulla. So they give you the institutions behind those. They're giving you the Google Colab, how to use it using Python. Here they tell you to install FFmpeg and to install the dataset after that. So you get all the instructions, you get the code snippets to load the ASR data and to load the TTS data. And they talk about the structure that you need to expect to have from those. Okay, this is how you're going to play with it. ID, speaker, audio, transcription, language, and gender. So Africa is more and more targeted and entering into the game. It's the new market. Hope that you like this video. See you next time.